But notwithstanding that, another person also take it now. I bet shift attention from Ministry of Sports. I see Abaye Jata Sam George, as he want to be called. Now, me minimum abena. Our abena is not obia or fool. Or also so wabeye shege pempa or PSO. Wabeye she emra no so titable nsi said there Sam George titable ni so. Ono so abechire shege. Also abechire me things that time no ministry or no. But you see, Sam George told to be on yaboche. Me I like him, but he told to be a sami yaboche. When it comes to something that is a public accounts committee, it is not like you're on your campaign platform. No matter the relationship you have with Abenano, exhibiting. Anyone who understands the principles of accounting is not for the weak. It's not joke. And once it's even about the public, it's not about the chairperson and those your colleagues. And that is not where Obabeche says also. Why name is a member of parliament? Why name is Sam George or a member of parliament? Man for man fans that now Wobema Massa. We want to know we want to know, say, as a mine and say, oh, now network natiko. Oh, now unya challenges with MNOs. That's the mobile network operators, MTN, Telisa, and others. That is where we want to find out what is the improvement. And then that's what we wanted to know. And there is nothing wrong. See a baby as a question. And some judge said, so no, he has been one person now asking tough questions. Those times are not what they be Adam Bonabaso say. And conformity, Hoduma, a good dear Musa questions are irrelevant. And that time was time and yeah chair Sam George on, because sometimes bisa question out him say relevant. And I tell you not any why better the other side. And you think because you're a member of parliament, they don't have the right to ask relevant questions that Ghanaians want to hear. And Abra was so soft, say, baby, Abra that I know was pleading.
Paid to you over 8 years at finance ministry.
That be a me say. Ministerial appointment, and as Sam George and Kwan Enyas and you and this move.
Make sure that we took steps to protect.
If so, to me, they can provide thousands of people that can do the same job.
A responsible government have done so.
Minister,
they can provide people who are capable of fixing those problems. And what's our Ministry of Communication?
Make my point. No, you won't.
Now, I'm also better now. So better time. So America say,
decision is making.
I was the same person. We're on the neck of Eslousu because you say, arrogance of power. How many Eslousu? Kasaba hat.
No, you have asked.
Sam George chastising Mami. I know what now. You see what was going on?
No, you would let me answer the question. You won't do that today.
All of us are not showed you. And then you are saying you are also a member. And so what? You are even a minister. And so what? Before the committee, which have been set up by law,
We have asked them to
Ultimate Kajom said then, if it's your committee, they should invite you. Are you for real?
Minister.
So and
this is our committee.
Radio and TV and see for sure. So I wanna spearhead paying power.
Minister, respect.
And then back I say, NCA friends say you shouldn't call us because we cannot do that.
Minister, respect.
Who born dog? Say a bit back and people are sharing this behavior on.
Please.
A minister in public
We understand you are in an important
behaving like this, and you want us to Jesus I'm wired
come here and we address issues.
and I know people will say some George yesterday yes now me born ambassador and make us say yes because it's becoming too much. Master, we want to hear relevant and obviously other than your man influ where side ya na communicators ya na time so man flow when you are flowing and said you are not making sense or you are flowing that we want to understand what you are saying, that is where you bam obia or interrogate you obi and obia or interview obi no. Sometimes in the panda can sem I want to cry ye un se ho na kama o person mejo ho enti o say busan biem say be obe repeat ama ye nya ho ni ye. It doesn't necessarily mean say now say you can kwasi asem. But as our point now that you were making, the point was so important and relevant. Say, from where she's sitting, or when you say, "What's your repeating my Ghana for?" Who say, "This is what you are doing to salvage the situation." And at a point in time, now, to me say, "Ho kasa cham George, and Kobaka says, Sami, calm down. Ho Sam, calm down." But don't share the behavior now. Me share the office or no be at me can answer. I'm the only thing I will say. Oh, who's on fan and no calling and no uncle Bibin channel and answer on Perano. But she's afraid. Sometimes you cannot let people be afraid of you. Say, no. When you are in public office, it's not your father's office. It's not your own company. And let's tell truth to power. You don't want to listen to sense. Public office is not for individual. A general now some judge so no bisa question I'm say irrelevant. Then no about na form no be so bisa relevant questioner. Because some about abaso and rent means anko bon abaso. No. Public service enya by force. So untimi rubbish untimi nonsense tina wo fie na gbe wadwuma ne what now say if you are being paid by taxpayer we have every right to question you. Say answer the person that asks you that question has the right to come in at any time odimi say odimine fit. What are you talking about? And people are cheering this on. It's saying say what? No one is untouchable. Not even John Dramani Mahama have said it. You are a minister, you are not God. You are a member of parliament, you are not God. Listen to that. At least you are being paid by the poor taxpayers. The people that you think they are poor. They are the same people who pays you. So what are you talking about? You should give us a break on that. Let's talk truth to power. As I deal with home, a bad precedent. And say yes, our committee in a bear white elephant. Committee in a barbet now or since one to mean cat. Because now that some judge has had his way, no, Obia will say, "How hold on to cry him." It will be about also better man attack you. A bad precedent. And I don't know the angle, Amon Shefri, Amon Babaza, and you want us all to jubilate or what? Master, some judge sometimes he guess it's wrong. Okay? Or sorry for you on I'm granting interview. Listen to wisdom. Listen to what he said. So no, he's a hard nut to crack. Yes, and you want to prove it more beyond so no yes, some judge they hard. There is difference between arrogance, a case will be arrogance and you'll be or your hard nut and also be or your strong. During some judge, interview no oba you know minister the appointment committee interview no. That time it wasn't arrogance. Look at the thin line. No, that time wasn't arrogance. He has to show his capabilities and things that he have. But it was arrogance because the moment you tell your colleague say meso me MP ni bio what we dey na person chire enti omo munya MP ndi omo ba omo nya nipa ade mwa. What are you talking about? We shouldn't entertain such I don't want to use certain words. We should entertain things like this. And then when we have Ghana down to me, Kasaka says, where from that nonsense? Where from that nonsense? And you think that people that are serving us, we can't tell them the truth? What are you talking about? In as much as I've ever loved some George, me say this time round for the first time, I'm saying, Sammy, you got it wrong. You had the right to calm down. Mama, many Musa the question, the follow-up question of person Musa or interrogative man room. Oh yeah, speak wisdom, because we all know. Say you had the facts. You had the facts. Or to ono bi or be say Sammy Esuya, the Sam George Esuya, the also Esuya Noba. The dear baby, you knew what you were coming to say, because you are intelligent guy. No one can take it from you. But the arrogance is taking the good part of you away. The arrogance is taking the good part of you. Because Esha and we were listening to wisdom, intelligence, good submission, and all of a sudden, no, sometimes every platform, how are you approaching? We don't approach every platform with the same style. You should know this. You're an intelligent guy, you should know this. Then I say, nipa ya dia, ya beka no krache ne to so so. O rate as more kan say, o mudisa, na mudisa ye fam dia mudisa no be. Mudisa mu kofia mu godisa. Not a placer. Ya pese ye tie wisdom, ya pese ye tie solutions. Mate, mudisa mu kofia no akodisa. You go beyond this. Go beyond this in your fear. And ya ha ya se matire wiase nyina ehwa mu. Emenos enyoma ya pese yehu. Ana unya abotre ebe chechem se o. The addictions are MTN for yeni, the Vodafone for Telecel for yeni. 1,000 plus and 500 or so plus for each telco so modeba. But sign your market here. It took the beauty and intelligence of what you were doing. It took the shine away. Sadia no one yanaka ede. Sa your mananya, sa optics and what's the meaning of this? Answer. It wasn't necessary. I'm telling you. An opinion I like noses. Also bit mature there. I'll pay ever heard that. But exactly what happened. But let people have the privilege and opportunity to listen to their course one.
Is rolling out 350 new sites. Between those two companies, you see 1,150 new sites. However, that's why I said to you that this is engineering and not sentiment. When you ask an MNO to roll out a new site, there are steps that have to be taken. No, Honorable, I'm also a member of Parliament. Don't do this. Please, I am on the floor, Minister, Honorable.
I understand.
Let me make my point. No, you won't heckle. I won't sit here to justify anybody. But private businesses are about making profits. And those profits, they paid to you over 8 years at the finance ministry as corporate taxes. Policy decision and policy leadership ought to make sure that we took steps to protect the customer. And I'm saying that we, under this reset agenda and under a responsible government, have done so.
Minister,
no, Honorable, Minister, I'm also a member of Parliament. Don't do this.
Minister,
please, I am on the floor,
Minister,
Honorable.
I understand.
Let me make my point. No, you won't heckle me. Don't play sentiment. Chairman, until and unless policy decision is making, Honorable, you need to rein in the Honorable member. She's being unruly.
No,
you are being unruly, please. This is unbecoming of a member of Parliament. Please, stop doing this.
Listen, you don't have the floor.
No, I have the floor. No.
We beg you. Honorable, we beg you. Honorable, we beg you. Honorable, we go beyond this. Me and you, corset. It's like looking at the poster of Abdas Abna will be Honma. Also say Okoya, Sammy Beck, Sam George Becker, Sam George, you sold him. No, honhom ni bunya fu a ne honhom ni nyaba o cast bo tonubo ti ase osuro say okoka say when you are the Ministry of Finance you have 8 years of famous abna no bafom I say hey the what you out to we treasure radi da deja gopo say Sam George na te ho ana mami we te from ho kebe different story altogether ana mami ne ye de o ye da na dem o Sat man abnati for mo show sound arrogance of power. What would your head? What am on after when or interview or guarantee my interview.
Honorable Akwesi Konedu and Honorable Abina Osayasari, do they have to be worried about your relationship with these two other committees?
Oh, come on. I mean, Konedu is a very good friend. Abina is a friend as well. And maybe that's part of the reason why our exchanges are very heated, because we do this in our regular conversations. But my point is very simple. The fact that we're friends does not negate from the fact that the work has to be done. I've sat on this committee for 8 years. I've been someone that has toughly questioned people, and I know that my colleagues are only returning the favor for what I did to MPP ministers, and so, but I'm a tough nut to crack, and so that's why I come prepared. The bottom line is you can ask me any question, but you just need to give me the audience as well to respond, because if I'm responding and you don't allow me to respond, then it becomes a monologue. It's not a conversation, and people need to be able to get appreciation. Akwesi Konedu and Abina are very good friends, very, very good friends. And you saw after the program, the end of the session, the three of us huddling together and laughing. So the next time I come back again, I'll fire them. And I indicated it when, as soon as Chairman said Abina was going to ask the question, I said, why is it?
And shall say, oh, ma'am, you know, where Sam George say, Obusan question, also man quine answer, that is fantastic, that is intelligent. But no question, say, because Anyasa a be monologue. Na wo de yama nko kwan na wo kasa na ye ntimi wram a enye monologue na bi ne be yama nko kwan na kasa without asking relevant questions. Is it not monologue that you are also the same thing you are preaching of? Enye the same thing happens oye. And it didn't start with Abena, where every year say Abena dey na say ko viral. Honorable Kwabena Kunedu sa Akwesi Kunedu ze Kwabena Kunedu awurade Nyankopon. I know so compare marry no amount. That's why it started. I'm the Abana there no more. It has some just came with certain postures say. Only so no wa jumping into urban. O me imagine so mun hana adwo mun disgrace no. Enti sadia ono so a shield defense or don't so the day eba. Enti owo adwin bia e woni timo ode badada. And no matter what, also any defense mechanism no, or who strategically or punch you. Sabia won't me answer question be and you get time to flow. Without interacting, or I will not even say interacting, say without coming in to ask relevant questions. And I don't know he got his way. Because we beg you for why we are not pay matching.